Oh. The glider is going to be an issue. The box is too big to put up. Am I putting some in now or are we waiting?
Just wait. Let's try and clear out stuff first. Oof. Right? Hey, Superman.
Yeah, give me my shirt so I can wear it.
I was talking to the club, the toy. The loft filled with toys. Yeah, this is a work in progress in here. What?
This is gonna be fun.
Is it heavy? You want to wait for Dean then after she wakes up? Because it'll scratch the dark wood on the paint. On the steps. Carrie. Why don't you wait for my sister then? I don't know where the hospital is. Okay, that's a lie. But I don't feel like scraping you up off the floor.
Stop.
I'm dead serious. Why don't you just wait for Dean?
Huh?
Why don't you wait for Dean? Oh my God. I was kind of scared there. I saw the look on your face and I got scared. Thought you were gonna poop yourself.
I already pooped this morning. Nothing's coming out. Yeah, the gliders you have to be taken apart down there and piece something.
Okay. You can bring that last then. I mean, like, after. My glider. Alright, just leave it there. That should be it, right? Just gotta get the paint. Alright, he's gonna put the crib together now because I finally cleaned up like the Christmas decorations and stuff like that. So now he's gonna put together the stuff and he's listening to Disney music while he does it because I hear Frozen playing. So yeah, we'll probably do a time lapse of that. I still need to just get the mattress, but I'm shopping for the right one while we listen to Little Mermaid. Next up is the dresser. Just with that face. He just tried it. I'm like, you gotta put all the drawers together and stuff. He's starting to blow down. I'm like, what you blowing down for? 1 day of work versus 10 months of work. And he talking about nobody told me to be born with a Y chromosome.
Just saying.
He trying to lose his life. Wow.
My C's gonna be carried on anyway, so.
Whatever. Ew. Looking at all the pieces, he's already fretting, talking about, oh, Jesus.
This is what Christmas should have been like.
Oh my God. Still more pieces. so tired, and he did all the work, and now I'm reporting live from my glider. Wow, all that belly and mess in the shot.
That glider can like turn all around and stuff like that.
Yeah,
That's
and
cool.
he finished the dresser for me. I just don't feel
Don't
like
forget
getting
about
up.
the baby.
Yes, the changing tables
Yes,
in there too.
the rectangle.
Oh my god. I just don't feel like getting up. Yeah, it goes all the way around. It swivels. It
So you can turn around
glides.
and walk and be like, "Where you been?"
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, it turns all the way around.
How much can this hold? The capacity?
Like 70 something pounds, I think you said. It's
Nice.
probably more.
So I can jump in it?
No.
Not that heavy.
Okay.
Me?
Yeah. You look
Hungry?
tired. Already? Did I just feed you?
I also woke up mad early today. I fell asleep on the couch last night. And I woke up and Layla was in my face because she wanted to go outside because I didn't walk her if I fell asleep.
Fail.
And it was like 5:45. And I didn't even set my alarm to wake up early. But good thing I woke up though, because I would have missed BCT.
You would have got beat up too. Alright. I guess we can get ready to run to Babies R Us. So that I can search for that mattress real quick and then we'll go get something to eat. You think you can hold on?